From the streets of Miami to presenting at the Grammys.
Hey guys, it's me Amelia, and I wanted to give you guys a chance to have shout outs. So follow me on Snapchat or Twitter to get a shout out. Message me that you want a shout out and you'll get a shout out in my next video. So that's really cool. You guys can follow me there. Also, if you want a shout out, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell for notifications, and leave a like. Once you come to my channel, leave a comment that you're the first one and you'll be also entered in my shout out for the next video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime without glue. This is totally real. So the first thing that you have to do is take a pot that you stole from the kitchen, and also take some soap that you stole from your bathroom from your mom, and then pour it in your pot. And then take some sugar that you stole from the kitchen. It looks like salt, but it's sugar. Take the sugar that you stole from the kitchen and put it in the pot that you stole from the kitchen, and then mix the two things together. Let me zoom that in for you guys. Okay, that's a little too far, so let's just move my camera back. Okay, there we go. And this totally works. So guys, comment down below if this works for you. If it doesn't work for you, you just might need to try a different brand of soap. I'm just using this random one that my mom buys. I don't even know where she buys it. I think it just has to be a gel-based soap, but here I'm just adding more sugar because it's still really watery. So the sugar, just add it if you need it to be thickened up. If you don't need it to be thickened up, then don't add more sugar, but this is the consistency that you should have. And I'm also stirring this mixture up with a stick, so don't mind me. It's actually a pencil, but don't hate on my pencil. So as you guys can see, this is the consistency that you guys should have, and I'm just pouring a bunch more sugar in because it wasn't thick enough. So yeah. So again, if it's not thick enough, then just keep adding sugar in until you're happy with the result of your mixture. So then put it in the freezer for like 20 to 25 minutes, and it should be really good after that. This is what I got after 25 minutes in the freezer. So yeah, this is amazing slime. Like, I did not even add anything to this. This was just, I could have picked it up and just started playing with it. So this turned out for me definitely. You guys can try it. You guys must try this. This is like the best no glue, no borax slime. So that you will probably see this is like the best. So yeah guys, subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to turn post notifications on so you can get a shout out. Leave this video a big old like because it tells me that you enjoy, and bye.